Yeah. Hey, what is up, everybody, man? Take a look. Just got to this Walmart. And this end cap looks pretty full. There's a Nova wagon gasser. This is from the KK's. Not really my type of casting. And well, there is an Integra, but I got like 3 of these already. Other than that, nothing really. I'm too tired to go through all these things. KK's would have been what was KK's? I think it was the Demon. I think the Demon was the super for the KK's, and then you have a mix of the M case. But man, that looks, I'm tired for that. I'm too tired for that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skim, really. Not really gonna dig. That one's a good one. A lot of people have been asking if it's hard to find, but I don't think so. Drift damn, it's El Camino. There's Street Creepers. Not much, really. Damn, this one I hadn't seen at all in a while. Damn, take a look. They got peg warmers, pretty much. That's what they're called. And who would have thought, man? The RX-7 being a peg warmer, along with the Nissan from Fast and Furious set. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Some Larry Woods with yeah, a lot of peg warmers. Damn, that's crazy. Justice League for Batman, and you got Mercedes-Benz and the 510s, transporters, Team Transports. I mean, Team Transport. And you got some Matchbox, which I don't really buy the 9-packs. I go mainly for the singles. Damn. Take a look. Somebody was asking for a truck, which I have not found actually. I saw it once and that was it. Somebody wanted to trade somebody wanted to get a gray truck that came with this set, but I never again saw it. So yeah, not here. And still not here. But damn, take a look. Outer World looks like they're fresh. Let's see, what is this? So the Golf 4 Mustang. A lot of details expected from Outer World. A lot of details. Damn. Shoot, should have just gone straight to this. Damn, what was this? Challenger RT. Let's see, what is this? Plymouth Barracuda, limited of 1 of 5,500. Damn, it's got a nice interior. Very nice interior. Some metallic blue. which is very nice. Plymouth Barracuda. I know Big Dappuccino, man, he's gonna flip when he sees all these castings. Take a look. Chevy Impala SS convertible. Damn, this one I am tempted to take. Chevy Impala SS. It's a one tone though, like the interior matches the outside. It's kind of not uncool, but yeah, man, these things are very detailed. I'll think about it. Might take it. Let's see what else is there though. Oh man, Mercury Cyclone. Damn. So I know a lot of people collect these American muscle or just American castings. Take a look at this Outer World. Dodge Polara 500. Some of these are flying over here. Take a look. Shelby GT 500. One of 35. And it's crazy how they got like class of 1969. Johnny Lightning 50 years. This is a Pontiac GTO. One of 3500. Very nice. Metallic interior. Oldsmobile Cutlass. Damn, this one is nice. But then again, these are not my type of cars, you know. But take a look at this Corvette. Chevy Corvette 1969. Damn, all these castings are released, or not released, but from the year 1969. That's crazy. Shoot. Probably a lot of people are gonna be like, well, you should buy him, or blah blah blah. Take a look at Chevy Camaro SS. These are gonna be like valuable. Not my thing, you know what I'm saying? Take a look. This one is sweet. Dodge Charger RT. This kind of like a ultra red or something, I don't know. I doubt it though, but still looks great. Charger RT. Damn, this one is nice. It's got red rims and like a red stripe. Oh, this is the white lining right here, the 1972. Damn. Yeah, 1972 is the white lining for this set. That's crazy. Take a look. Have you found one yet? Luckily I have. And it was a great casting too. It was the Beetle. That was my first white lining found in the wild. And then there was a Mercury, I believe it was, which I didn't know it was a white lining, but you guys, the viewers, told me that it was a white lining. So yeah, but man, I don't see much more, man, and I am pretty tired, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go home now. Might stop at another Walmart, we'll see. But memory is kind of low now, and also the battery is super low. But oh well. See you guys in the, stay tuned. Yeah.